Welcome to the Out There channel. I'm just going to show you how to set up Discord on your smartphone. We're going to simulate Android, and we have this emulator here, one of a couple that you can choose to run on Windows 10, also Windows 8 and 7 I think. So let's just start it up, and it will emulate being a phone. I've given it root access, super user. It's gone to the wrong screen, so drag it across. There you go, this is our simulation of a smartphone. Puts up free advertising and stuff like that unless you pay, of course. Usual nonsense that we have to deal with free apps. And here we go. Can we get rid of that one yet? Here's the home button. It's one of these symbols, isn't it? Back. Home. Looks like it won't get us rid of the thing. Alright, time's out. Okay, it should be going back to our desktop on this phone's emulated phone. Here we go. So we want Google Store. Another ad. Thank you. Thank you very much for all the ads. Now piss off. Alright, so when I go to Play Store, type in Discord. It'll come out in the list. There we go. Discord Plus. We just want Discord, I think. Looks like the right icon. Game control, it's meant to be. Text chat and hangout. Install. Because I haven't tested it on this emulator, I'm not sure if it's going to work. But we'll soon find out. It's installed. We can open it there, or we can go to the desktop, see where it is on the phone. There it is. Let's start it up. Welcome to Discord. Register or log in. So first thing I want to do is log in to your original account if you're coming back, or create a new account, of course. Email. Good question. So I have to look that up. Discord. Sign in easy across devices. Save passwords. Okay, I'll save it here. So here's Discord. So let's see how it looks like on the phone compared to, if we bring up my one on browser, which is a lot nicer under Chrome or Brave or one of the other web browsers, which you can't do on phones and tablets. You have to use the apps. You have to use the damn apps. If it will come up. What's going on today? I don't know. Strangeness. Did you know we screw up your Discord? Looks like they have too. They made it bigger, haven't they? Made it a lot bigger. So normally it's like that. It's broken up into people that can access each of the rooms and who are currently active and who are not, and your groups that you joined, Out There channel, and your home, which is your own personal account. So that's what we get there on the browser. Let's see how it's different here on the phone. So is there any scrolls here? Swipes. So we got Discord. What's that one? So we probably need to add. So there's that side bit down there. That side bit there. At the moment, we need to add the LTChannel to the list. So we need to hit the plus sign. Have an invite. Yes. Join friend on Discord. And you type your invite there. And of course, you have to look up the code. Again, it should already have it pasted into a text file. So, easiest way is to go to my web page. We'll get there. Once you got it set up, there's no need to worry about it ever again. Out there. Channel. And of course, you can run the app at the same time on all your devices too. WordPress, and you'll get the message pop up on all your devices that currently have the app running. Now, what's good about the app? It runs all the time in the tray. So if someone sends you a personal message, it beeps. TheOutThereChannel.wordpress.com, and if we scroll down here, we can find the invite code at the very end with PRD3. Copy and paste it into there. Control V. Join the TheOutThereChannel. Accept invite. And bingo, we're in. Now if we go back to my master account, we should see me here, and it says we're on phone. Okay, so when you log in, that's what you should get. Now how do you get to your personal account? Is it swipe on this? Here you go. So you can get swipe in there. What's that one? Message. Direct message to me about the rules. And there's your direct messages up there, which is normally a game control icon like that down there, which pops us into here anyway. And swipe. And we can go back into the room. And here's a list of all the rooms we can access as this member. Now you can see my test account is only set up with basic user rights, and we go here, we can find out what it is. Waiting for approval. So I guess it's not the same test account that I logged in down here, so I'm not too sure which email address I used on there. So we can give this some access rights and make it a full member. Actually, we'll make it a lurker account. So this shows you can have multiple accounts quite easily under Discord. So untick await approval and lurker. And now that count has moved up with the other two lurkers. And as you can see, it's got a welcome message in the lobby there. And now you can see we've got a lot more rooms we can access, right? So it's a slightly different. It's got automatically opens up the tabs. Others, these are categories, I mean. But yeah, you should be able to find veteran of UFOs, UFO general, and if you're a full member, which we can then now upgrade to a full member, because after a while we trust them not to be silly people. And we can make them approved member. Puts them up a level. And now they're above these local levels, right? Goes in hierarchy. Okay, so now we should have even more rooms that we can access to. Look at that. Oh, shebang. And that's not all of them still. There's some research rooms on various fraud channels that only the top people get access to. Okay, so if we swipe right, there's what's posted in lobby at the moment, but we can go to another room. Show's going live, and that's where I post when I'm going to go live, and you can click on the link and go straight there. Okay, it's that simple. So yeah, this is the first time I've tried it using the simulator. I assume it's going to work the same on all Android phones. So far I've installed various apps that all seem to be working fine under the simulator, apart from those horrible nags. Comes in handy if you want to test stuff and not mess up your phone, of course. So we can go to UFO category here somewhere. There they are, UFOs, UAPs, and we can go into alright, so here I've got all my backup channels as well, which you probably don't need to go into, but these are the ones I've got my alt media onto. So we can go into UFO general, and you can see some posts there, right? And if you scroll right again, you get that very end panel, which is all the people that can access it, including robots. Those are the people online, and if you scroll down, people at the bottom are currently offline. So hopefully that makes it a lot easier for you guys. It's not too hard. Rather you post into the rooms rather than use your personal account, which is that game controller icon. That should have been up there first. Direct messages, right? And at the moment we've only got one, so I can send a direct message to, or you could send one to me. Let's do it from the phone. Direct message. Add user, is it? Makes it really hard to find me, I guess. Unless you know the code. Because my code is quite a long one. So, yeah. I don't think it tells me directly here. Oh, here it is. Paul copies username. Click to copy. Okay, copied. So it's Paul Skinner of the TheOutThereChannel, and it's got to have the special number on the end. So direct message to add user to Control V. And you can see there's the full ID to get to me. Push enter, is it? That's a good question. Invite friends to message. Why is that not working? What have I done wrong? It is slightly different, I must admit, but there's not that much different. Oh, here we go. Is it that one there? Add friend. Okay, I'm pushing in the wrong place there. If you've got lots of friends in your list, then you go to the other one where you can say do a direct message to the people in your phone book, which is that one there. So add friend, paste my full name, ID. Okay, now I should get an invite on my personal message, which has got a 1 on it now. So click on that. Now we're already in there. Why is it not showing up? Alright, I've got to click up here. It's got a 1. Why is it not showing it though? All friends. Oh, pending. Okay. So Len Len Firewood, you're still haven't accepted my friend request if you're watching. I accept Paul now, and he now shows up in the list here. That's how you get block people and whatnot. You can block it later. Okay. So he's added, and I can now say hi back. And if we go back to the app, okay, I want to get out of that. Now look, personal message 1, and there it is, comes for me. Now what's this? Join, no thanks. Alright, Paul, and it should be hi, there you go, symbol. So that's all working good. And now I just need to wrap up this video, edit out the bad bits, and use this as a tutorial video, because a lot of people use the phone, but as you can see I've done both, so you should be fine doing it. There's probably other shortcuts as well. So we can close that one down now. So it looks like I got 2 just test accounts. So maybe I should delete that old one. It's amazing how it doesn't forget, really. Even though I think I said delete it, it's come back again. But it didn't remember that it was part of that server though, so it looks like it trashed. So it assumed it's a new account, even though I didn't click register. But the password worked. Very strange. Anyway, yeah. And if you want to get rid of those messages, I think you can delete it somewhere here. You can do a phone call with them, a video call, or just do regular text. Now, how do you get rid of them on here then? Well, normally it's a cross and cross in the corner if you want to delete them completely. Not seen it. Maybe it's in the pull down. Nope. Well, delete. Maybe just have to hit delete on it. I just have to highlight it. Alright. Mute. Profile. Mark as red. Didn't have option for delete though. Maybe it's long press. Long press it? What happens? Alright, there you go, long press. I keep forgetting the phone is long press and fingers, right? And we're using a mouse. You can't use right click, it doesn't work. You'd think it would be clever enough to work it out though, being an emulator. Oh well, I'll wrap it up there, I don't want it too long. And take care on the roads, everybody. Let's see if it's recorded. Now that's half the problem too. I'm doing it straight to the hard drive.